Hi, this is Austin from Kaivac, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the squeegee head on a Kaivac vacuum wand. We're also going to talk about the vacuum wand collar and what may need to be replaced there. The squeegee head and collar assemblies are two of the biggest wear and tear items on the Kaivac system. Over time, they will eventually wear out and need to be replaced. Before we get started, the parts mentioned in this video are listed in the description below. If you're having trouble with the squeegee head not spinning freely or falling out and not staying connected, there could be a couple of things happening. To replace the collar, unscrew the collar counterclockwise. We'll take the squeegee head off once it's free, and then continue to unscrew the collar until it comes completely off of the vacuum wand. You'll need to be careful here because inside of the collar there's a brass ring that holds the squeegee head assembly in place. The brass ring could be the other issue if your squeegee head is not staying in place. Ideally, the ring should be replaced every time you replace the squeegee head or collar. If the collar is broken, we're going to simply replace the collar with a new part. We'll take our new brass ring, insert it into the replacement collar, and then reattach it to the vacuum wand assembly. Once it's screwed halfway into place, we'll take the new squeegee head and reattach it. Then continue to tighten the collar down until it's snug. The new squeegee head should remain in place and spin freely. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on maintaining your Kaivac equipment. We'll see you in the next one.